Let's solve this percentage question. The income of Amala is 20% more than Bimla and 20% less than Kamala. If Kamala's income goes down 4% and Bimala's goes up 10%, the percentage by which Kamala's income exceeds Bimla. Okay, so income of Amala is 20% more of Bimala, but same income is 20% less of Kamala. In order to solve this problem, you need to imagine, say, this is Bimala's salary. Amala is 20% more, but the same Amala is 20% less as Kamala. So if you imagine this in a straight line, you could easily try to guess some numbers for their incomes. Let me give a guess. Let's say Bimala's salary is 6,000. Kamala's salary 9,000. You can ask me why I am suddenly taking 6,000 and 9,000. I can explain the reason behind it. So 6,000, 9,000. If you think of 20% of 6,000, it's 1,200. For 9,000, 1,800. So you very well know the income of Amala, the same income should be 20% more of Bimala, 20% less of Kamala. Now let's find Amala from these numbers. So 6,000 plus 1,200, 20% more, 7,200. Does this satisfy for Kamala? 9,000, subtract this 20%. Yes, it is 7,200. So we guessed it correctly. So now Bimala is 6,000. Amala is 7,200. And Kamala is 9,000. So the reason I was able to guess this in a simple way is because of this 20% 20% value they have given in the question. So I could explain better in a different video about how I came up with this guess. So now Kamala's income goes down by 4%. Okay, so your 9,000 is 100%. So 10% is 900, 1% is 90. So if 1% is 90, 4% is 360. So 9,000 minus 360 will be 8,640. Now Bimala's income goes by 10%. So it was 6,000. If it goes 10% up, you could simply say it's 6,600. Now all we need to find is by how many percentage from Bimala's salary Kamala's income exceeded. So this is how you understand. So Bimala's salary is 6,600. This is your 100%. So you very well know 10% is 660, 1% is 66. Find the gap between Bimala and Kamala. So Kamala is 2,040 more. So previously we found 10% 660, 1% 66. So try to find this 2040 with these deductions. So 30% is 1,980. If you add 1%, which is 66, you will actually get 2044. Yeah, which is very closer. So the answer should be 31.